As of July 1st, 2025, you can split and filter in traffic on a motorcycle. Lane splitting is when traffic is moving. Lane filtering is when traffic is stopped. In Minnesota, you can lane split if there are 2 or more lanes of traffic going in the same direction. If the traffic is moving, you can't go more than 25 miles an hour, and you can't go more than 15 miles an hour faster than the traffic. When the traffic is stopped, you can't go more than 15 miles an hour. In this video I'm showing you now, I'm initially in turning lanes, and I can't split or filter. When I get onto the next road, then I can split and filter. Some other places where you cannot do this: roundabouts, school zones, single lanes of traffic, and the on-ramps for the interstate, freeway or expressway. So just be careful when you do it. People don't pay attention. Even if they knew this was something that we can do, they're still not going to pay attention. It's completely on you to stay out from underneath the vehicles. So just do it nicely, do it responsibly. Don't make people hate us, and be safe. I will say, when I start splitting lanes, it looks fast because I'm using a 360 camera, and the wide angle lens and the angle make it look faster than it was. I just barely clipped over 25 miles an hour. I saw 27 when I was doing it, but honestly, I'm not staring at my speedometer when I do this. I'm making sure I don't hit anyone and they don't hit me. So yeah, I went 2 miles an hour over what I was supposed to, but I think I did this reasonably safely.